home screen of the application, very simple layout, and you pretty much can select any one of these that you would like to use, whether it be journals or anything, guys, anything, any one of these you can select and pretty much add your face to it. So let's say, for example, this gentleman here, and or any one of these ladies that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this guy here, and once you've selected what you want to use, all you have to do is just upload a clear image of your face. So here are the examples which I can use, but please do make sure and upload clear images of your face so you can get the best results. So I'm going to try one of these demo here. Once I tap on the demo option here, I can just tap on the ticky icon on the top here and be able to generate using this one here. So we'll replace this face here with this face here will be replaced with this image here that I've selected. And I can also change it last minute by tapping on the plus icon here if I change my mind. So I maybe want to change it to this person here. I've selected it, and I'm going to tap on generate your avatar, and it will pretty much swap the face here. So it will take a while to load, so be a bit patient. So once it's finished, you pretty much can save it and whatever you want with it. We'll just show you a subscription page here. Let's tap on the X and you're pretty much good to go, and you will see an ads. Just let ads play a bit, and once the ads is finished, you can just tap on the X. X will already forward icon here. And once you've done that, we will see a X somewhere at the top here, or you will see this forward icon again. Just tap on that. May redirect it to Play Store.
You don't even know how handsome you are after you change your...
And once that's finished, it will show an X at the top here. Tap on that X and you're pretty much good to go. As you can see, this is the result. And again, you're going to need to watch an ad to save it. You're going to need to watch an ad to save the image. And you can go ahead and edit this as well. So that's really pretty much it for the application. If I miss anything at all, please comment below. I would love to help you guys. With all of you guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You know, fashionable.